Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5A, that is about application of mathematics in everyday life. In this lesson, I will solve question number 7, intermediate level. As the questions are long, so I've written the question in short form, and let me read the question from the book. Question says, a shopkeeper buys 300 identical articles at a total cost of $1500. Total cost of $1500. He sells 260 articles at the at a price that is 20% above the cost price. Each of the remaining articles, okay, out of 300 articles, for 2 articles he is deciding the sale price 20% above the cost price. And if out of 300 articles he is selling 260 articles and remaining articles are 40 articles, and for 40 articles he is deciding to sell the article at 50% of the selling price of 50% of selling price of each of the 260 articles. Each of 50% of 260 articles. Express the shopkeeper's profit as the percentage profit. We have to find the percentage profit as the cost price. Okay, so first of all, it's always good to draw the figures like this in order to get the clear picture of the question. First of all, we have to think that for the purchase of 300 articles, he is paying total of $1500. So, okay, total cost price of 300 articles is $1500. So the cost price of one article you should have the command on the unitary method as well. 1500 divided by 300. Now these two zeros, or I can write it in the form 1500 upon 300. So zeros will be going, and 3 ones are and 3 fives are, which is equal to 5. So the cost price of one article is $5. Now what we have to do, $5. Now the next part of the question says that when he is selling the articles, what he is doing, that he sells 260 articles at the price 20% above the cost price. Okay, for 260 articles, sale price of one article. First of all, we have to find the sale price of one article. Sale price of one article for these 260 articles. The question says that he decides to sell for 260 articles the sale price 20% above the cost price. So the cost price is 5 plus, now 20% above this cost price will be 20% of 5. So this will give me 5 plus 20 over 100 multiplied by 5. So 0 can go with 0. 2 ones are and 2 fives are and 5 ones are. So 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. So sale price of one article for these 260 articles will be $6. Now total sale price for 260 articles, will be equal to 260 multiplied by 6, and this will give me 260 multiplied by 6, and this will give me 1560. Okay, now what I have to do, 1560 is the sale price of 260 articles. And now let me block this answer first. And what is happening for the remaining articles, and the remaining articles he sold, each of the remaining articles is sold at the price which is 50% of the price of each of 260 articles. 50% of each of 260 articles. So for remaining articles, or for 40 articles, because 260 plus 40 will give me 300. So how he is deciding the sale price? The sale price of one article, equals to 50% of the sale price of one article which is sold at 260. So 50% of 6, so 50 over 100 multiplied by 6. So this will be 5 ones are and 5 twos are and 2 ones are and 2 threes are. It means the sale price of one article is $3. So total sale price for 40 articles equals to 40 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 120. So the total sale price of 40 article is $120. Now as the question says that we have to find the shopkeeper's profit is the percentage of the cost price. So in order to get the profit, we have to find the total sale price or total amount that he will be getting for the sale of 300 articles will be equal to the sale price of 260 articles. Let me write it in short form. Sale price of 260 articles plus the sale price of 40 articles. Okay, now the sale price of 260 articles is $1560 plus 120. Now let me add them up carefully. 1560 plus 120, and this will give me $1680. So this is the sale price of 300 articles, and this is 1680. Now we have to find the shopkeeper's profit. This is the third requirement of the question. So percentage profit will be equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100%. Now in order to get the profit, what we have to do, we know that profit is the difference between the sale price and the cost price. So what I will be doing, 1680 minus 1500 upon 1500 multiplied by 100%, and this will give me 1680 minus 1500, and this will give me 180 upon 1500 multiplied by 100%. Now the two zeros can go and I will left with 180 upon 15, 15, and that is 12%. 12%. So I hope you are clear that how we are calculating the profit of the shopkeeper for the sale of 300 articles which he was actually buying for $1,500, but when he was selling those 300 articles, he was deciding the sale price of 260 articles with different rule, and he was deciding the sale of 40 articles with different rules. So at the end, what we are going to do, we have to find the total sale price of 260 articles, which is 1560, and the sale price of 40 articles, which is 120, and this sum, which is 1680, this is giving me the sale price or total sale price of 300 articles. And then we are using the formula for the percentage profit equals to profit over cost price multiplied by 100%. It's really important to learn the formulas and apply the formulas for the better understanding of your working. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.